Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Philips 8-pack solar pathway lights outdoor. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Solar powered for energy savings, solar pathway lights with high quality LEDs, bright, energy efficient illumination enhances your outdoor spaces. Long-lasting brightness, durable solar panel with an improved conversion rate enables 6-hour full charging and 18-hour runtime, warm white light, 3000 K. Dusk-to-dawn automation, dusk-to-dawn sensor automatically turns light on at sunset and off at sunrise. Water resistant and easy to install, tested for resistance to corrosion, rust, heavy rain, humidity, UV exposure, and extreme temperatures, fully assembled with all accessories included, easy to install. Elevate your outdoor decor, charming solar lights, perfect for pathways, gardens, yards, lawns, flower beds, and patios. Warm glow enhances any outdoor event, from romantic evenings to festive holiday gatherings. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.